Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gran Turismo 7 online. First, you will need to complete the initial tutorials in the game to unlock the world map. From there, navigate to the sport or lobby sections to begin your online journey. Remember, a PlayStation Plus subscription is absolutely essential for accessing any online multiplayer features. Also, ensure your internet connection is strong and stable for the best racing experience. Once you are online, you will find two primary ways to race. The sport mode is perfect for competitive racing, featuring daily races and official championship events with strict rules. These races refresh every 20 minutes or so, offering new tracks and car categories. Alternatively, the lobby mode allows you to create or join custom rooms, setting your own rules, tracks, and car selections for a more casual experience with friends or the community. To truly enjoy online racing, fair play is key. Always strive for clean driving and avoid contact with other racers. This helps maintain a good sportsmanship rating. Before each race, take time to adjust your car's settings and tuning to suit the track conditions and your driving style. A stable internet connection is crucial. Consider using a wired connection for optimal performance, minimizing lag and disconnections during intense races. To consistently perform well online, practice is paramount. Spend time in single-player modes to truly master each track and car combination. Focus on learning optimal braking points and racing lines. These are critical for shaving off precious seconds. Watching replays of top drivers can also provide invaluable insights into advanced techniques and strategies. Remember, consistent effort and learning will lead to significant improvements in your online racing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.